Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome to my show. This is gonna be like all about sports. I am a huge sports fanatic, if you can see. Yeah, it's mostly gonna be about the Angels, but here and there I'll talk about, sports stories or teams or I just I know it's like 2 weeks late, but there's one thing I want to talk about, and it's this guy right there, Nick Adenhart. Yes, the number one prospect. The one of the starting pitchers. He had a horrible start last year and he worked his way up and he pitched 6 scoreless innings, and then some idiot decided he didn't care, he was going to drink drive, hit the guy, and then walked away, but luckily he was caught and is now hopefully facing life in prison. Cross our fingers. You should see the memorial. Oh my gosh. It's huge. For those of you that have seen it, I mean, there's everything from balls, bats, posters, pictures, cards, rally monkeys. It's all there. And I think he really deserves it. It actually made me cry a little bit. Because you know what, this whole thing, it'd still be sad, but it's not like he got sick. It's not like he was the one drinking. He absolutely did nothing wrong. He was just out with his friends celebrating, and some idiot didn't care, and he just ran a red light. So, yes, Nick, you are still in my prayers. I just, this tragedy, oh my gosh. For those that also saw the press conference with Dustin Mosley and his, Nick's agent, sorry, I don't know his name. Oh my gosh, and they started crying, letting me and my grandma cry. It's just, it's horrible. So hopefully the guy gets life in prison because they give him 5 years. He's gonna go right back out and do the same thing. People say, "Oh, it was an accident." You know what? He has a suspended license. He already had a DUI. How many more chances does he get? And I'm out.